Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will take a quick look at the macOS Sonoma 14.4 update, and I will show you step-by-step instructions on installing it on your Mac. I will also share any issues that may occur during this update. On March 7th, 2024, Apple released macOS Sonoma version 14.4 with an update size of 3.54 gigabytes. This update introduces new emojis as well as other features, bug fixes, and security updates for your Mac. The following emojis are included: new mushroom, phoenix, lime, broken chain, and shaking heads emoji are now available in Emoji Keyboard. 18 people and body emoji support facing the opposite direction. This update also includes the following improvements and bug fixes. Podcast's episode text can be read in full. Search for a word or phrase. Click to play from a specific point and used with accessibility features such as text size, increased contrast, and voiceover. Business updates in Messages for Business let you get updates that you have opted into, like order status, flight notifications, fraud alerts, or other transactions from trusted businesses. Safari Favorites bar adds an option to show only icons for websites. Some features may not be available for all regions or on all Apple devices. To learn more about the security details of this update, please refer to the support page. I will include the link to the page in the description box below this video. To view the link and other related information, click More below this video and expand the description box. I will install the new update on my M1 MacBook Pro. Let's begin. To avoid any potential data loss, back up your Mac in advance or clone your internal drive to an external one. To update your system, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Then click General on the left sidebar and click Software Update. To learn more about the macOS 14.4 release, click More Info. Next, click Update Now. Then agree to terms. Enter your admin password and click OK to install. The installation has started. It will take a while. I'll pause recording this video and resume when the installation is complete. I will also let you know if I encounter any problems during the installation. The installation of macOS Sonoma version 14.4 is now complete, and it took approximately 30 minutes on my MacBook Pro M1. The Apple logo and a progress bar appeared 4 times throughout the installation, including 3 brief black screens. I didn't face any issues during the installation process, and I can now run macOS Sonoma 14.4 on my M1 MacBook Pro. If you are considering upgrading to macOS Sonoma, check out my step-by-step installation tutorial. You can find the link in the description box below this video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the LT Lucid Tutorials logo and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.